Everybody give it up for Peter over here. He's a big Warren cheese fan. You tell.
Yeah, we're regulating the city of this power.
Ready, down, go,
You can't get it, keep off the streets. Gotta be hanging with this city, you know what I mean? And you keep. Hit black guy, clean white room, jeans on the street, trying to go to some streets to live. Some people get so far, pulling my ride, pulling my life. Let me side, let me sing, let me touch on my vibes, the all the cheers, all the girls that I need to do. I was supposed to get so good to it. So I know it's a net, I'm not too bad. Get some other shit that likes, so I said, let's do this. On my ride, say what's up. The brothers put some gas, so I said, I'm sorry.
Get away, move,
ready to that.
Ow!